1. Emily, the Scrum Master, notices that the team is struggling to complete the sprint backlog. What should she do next? A. Extend the sprint duration to accommodate the incomplete work. B. Tell the team to work overtime to finish the backlog. C. Facilitate a sprint retrospective to identify the challenges. D. Reduce the scope of the project to meet the deadlines. Answer: C. Facilitate a sprint retrospective to identify the challenges. Explanation: in Agile, continuous improvement is essential. A retrospective helps identify impediments and allows the team to improve their processes for the next sprint. 2. John's team has received feedback from a customer that requires changes to the product. The changes affect several features already developed. What should John do? A. Reject the feedback since the work is already completed. B. Implement the changes immediately without consulting the team. C. Incorporate the feedback into the product backlog for future sprints. D. Escalate the issue to the sponsor and ask for direction. Answer: C. Incorporate the feedback into the product backlog for future sprints. Explanation: Agile projects are adaptive, and customer feedback should be considered. The product backlog allows for prioritizing changes in future sprints. 3. During a sprint, Sarah, a developer, finds that a feature is much more complex than originally estimated. What should the team do? A. Remove the feature from the sprint and add it to the backlog. B. Abandon the feature completely to focus on simpler tasks. C. Collaborate as a team to re-estimate and decide how to adjust the sprint scope. D. Assign the feature to the most skilled developer and continue with the original plan. Answer: C. Collaborate as a team to re-estimate and decide how to adjust the sprint scope. Explanation: in Agile, the team must work together to handle changes and re-estimate when necessary, allowing for adaptive planning and teamwork. 4. Mike's team is midway through a sprint when a high-priority bug is discovered. What is the most appropriate action? A. Stop all sprint work and fix the bug immediately. B. Log the bug in the backlog for the next sprint. C. Assess the impact of the bug and adjust the sprint backlog if necessary. D. Ignore the bug until the sprint is completed. Answer: C. Assess the impact of the bug and adjust the sprint backlog if necessary. Explanation: Agile teams need to be flexible. If the bug is critical, it can be prioritized, and the sprint backlog adjusted to accommodate the change. 5. Jessica is working as a Scrum Master and notices that one team member is dominating all sprint planning discussions. What should she do? A. Allow the team member to lead since they are knowledgeable. B. Ask the team member to take over the role of product owner. C. Facilitate balanced participation by encouraging input from all team members. D. Ignore the issue as long as the sprint is progressing. Answer: C. Facilitate balanced participation by encouraging input from all team members. Explanation: the Scrum Master ensures that all team members have equal input, fostering collaboration and preventing one person from dominating discussions. 6. Rachel, a product owner, is asked by the team to clarify several user stories that are vague. What should she do? A. Rewrite the user stories herself without consulting the stakeholders. B. Provide additional clarification and collaborate with the team to refine the stories. C. Tell the team to figure out the details on their own. D. Ignore the team's request, since the stories were already reviewed. Answer: B. Provide additional clarification and collaborate with the team to refine the stories. Explanation: the product owner collaborates with the team to ensure user stories are well-defined and understood, allowing for effective implementation. 7. During a sprint, the stakeholders request that a new feature be added immediately. How should Alex, the Scrum Master, handle this request? A. Immediately add the feature to the current sprint. B. Decline the request and stick to the original sprint plan. C. Advise the product owner to add the feature to the product backlog for prioritization. D. Ask the team to work extra hours to accommodate the request. Answer: C. Advise the product owner to add the feature to the product backlog for prioritization. Explanation: changes should be prioritized in the product backlog, and Agile teams work within the scope of the sprint. New requests are managed in future sprints. 8. Tom's team has completed a sprint, but the customer is unhappy with the delivered features. What should Tom do as the Scrum Master? A. Ignore the feedback since the sprint is complete. B. Gather feedback during the sprint review and adjust the product backlog accordingly. C. Restart the sprint to address the customer's concerns. D. Apologize to the customer and offer compensation. Answer: B. Gather feedback during the sprint review and adjust the product backlog accordingly. Explanation: the sprint review is an opportunity to gather customer feedback, which should be used to refine the product backlog and improve future iterations. 9. A team member is uncertain about how to approach a user story. As the Scrum Master, what should Lucy do? A. Tell the team member to figure it out on their own. B. Assign the story to another team member. C. Facilitate a team discussion to collaboratively refine the story and remove ambiguity. D. Escalate the issue to the product owner. Answer: C. Facilitate a team discussion to collaboratively refine the story and remove ambiguity. Explanation: in Agile, collaboration is key. The Scrum Master facilitates discussions to ensure the team has a clear understanding of the user stories. 10. During a daily stand-up, Sam, a team member, mentions that he is facing a blocker and cannot proceed with his task. What is the best next step for the Scrum Master, Amanda? A. Ignore the blocker and continue the meeting. B. Advise Sam to work on a different task until the blocker is resolved. C. Help resolve the blocker immediately or escalate it as necessary. D. Tell Sam to figure out the solution on his own. Answer: C. Help resolve the blocker immediately or escalate it as necessary. Explanation: the Scrum Master is responsible for removing impediments so that the team can continue working effectively. 11. Ellen, the product owner, notices that the team is frequently missing sprint goals. What should she do first? A. Add more user stories to each sprint to motivate the team. B. Lower the sprint goals to ensure the team meets them. C. Work with the team to refine the backlog and improve sprint planning. D. Replace underperforming team members. Answer: C. Work with the team to refine the backlog and improve sprint planning. Explanation. Collaboration between the product owner and the team during backlog refinement and sprint planning ensures that sprint goals are realistic and achievable. 12. Paul's Agile team is new to working together and has low velocity. How should Paul, as the project manager, approach this situation? A. Increase the scope of work to push the team harder. B. Allow the team to mature and improve its velocity over time. C. Fire underperforming team members. D. Add more people to the team to increase velocity. Answer. B. Allow the team to mature and improve its velocity over time. Explanation. Agile teams improve their performance as they work together over time. Velocity is expected to increase as the team becomes more cohesive. 13. David, the Scrum Master, observes that the team is skipping daily stand-up meetings. What should he do? A. Force the team to attend daily stand-ups. B. Cancel the stand-ups altogether. C. Remind the team of the importance of daily stand-ups and facilitate engaging meetings. D. Let the team continue skipping stand-ups as long as the work gets done. Answer C. Remind the team of the importance of daily stand-ups and facilitate engaging meetings. Explanation. Daily stand-ups are crucial for team coordination and identifying blockers. The Scrum Master should ensure they are effective and valuable. 14. Emma is managing an Agile project with remote team members. Communication has been inconsistent. What should she do? A. Schedule more frequent meetings to improve communication. B. Allow communication to happen naturally without intervention. C. Require team members to document everything in writing. D. Escalate the issue to the sponsor. Answer. A. Schedule more frequent meetings to improve communication. Explanation. In a remote Agile environment, frequent and structured communication is necessary to keep the team aligned and productive. 15. John's Agile team is unable to complete the sprint goals for 2 consecutive sprints. What is the best next step? A. Add more team members to improve performance. B. Extend the sprint duration to complete the work. C. Conduct a sprint retrospective to identify the issues and adjust for the next sprint. D. Replace the Scrum Master. Answer. C. Conduct a sprint retrospective to identify the issues and adjust for the next sprint. Explanation. The sprint retrospective allows the team to identify challenges and improve their process for future sprints.